Good morning, dear children. So, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. Yes. So, today what we are going to do? Today we are going to start with our new lesson. Yes, and I hope you have completed your lesson number 1. You have completed your book work and your copy work, and you might have enjoyed the activity also. Okay. So, today I am taking your lesson number 2 of EVS. So, for that you all open your semester book, page number 154. Open page number 154. This page number, open it. Okay. We are starting with the new lesson, lesson number 2, staying healthy. Staying healthy we are starting. Okay. So, what do you understand by the terms healthy? Yes, in lesson number 1 we have studied healthy means to be fit. Okay. And how can we be fit? By following certain habits. In that it comes eating good food, healthy food, and doing exercises and following some habits. Now let's see how following some habits can help us to stay healthy. How following some habits can help us to stay healthy. Okay. So first in your book there is a warm-up box. What you can see? There is a warm-up box. Here. Okay. And there are 2 pictures. Okay. Let's read what it is written. In my board also you can see 2 pictures. There is a picture of one boy who is very happy and very neat and clean, and one boy who is a bit dirty and he is not happy also. Okay. So let's read what it's written. Swami and Sarath are very good friends. These 2 boys are very good friends. Okay. But they are different from each other, and both of them are different from each other. Alag-alag. Okay. Swami is healthy and clean. So, one child's name is Swami and he is healthy and clean. Sarath is unhealthy and dirty. Now, another child is there whose name is Sarath and he is unhealthy and dirty. Can you say who is Swami and who is Sarath? Now, you have to find out in this whose name is Swami and whose name is Sarath. So, who is looking healthy and clean? Swami. So, which picture? Yes, the first picture. So, in the first picture, you all are going to write, what you are going to write? Swami. So, write S-W-A-M-I. First picture. He is looking healthy and clean. Okay, so this is Swami. Now, the second picture we can find, he is not looking healthy. So, he is unhealthy and he is dirty also. Okay, so his name is Sarath. So, write Sarath below it. S-A-R-A-T. Sarath. Okay, children? Yes. We found out who is Swami and who is Sarath. Yes. It's written, we need to follow some good habits to stay clean and healthy. Now in this chapter, you need to follow some good habits to stay what? We need to stay clean and healthy. And how can it be possible? Let's see. Okay. Now I am going to ask you certain questions and you are going to answer it. Okay. Let's see. First picture. What is the child doing? Okay. Yes, you also do that. Yes, we take shower. He is washing his head. He is putting soap. So, what we have to do? Which good habit is this? We have to take bath when? Once in a week, twice in a week, or every day. First good habit. We have to take bath daily with what? Soap and water. We have to use soap also. Okay. Soap, shampoos you use na? Yes, you like using it. Okay. So, we have to take bath every day using soap and shampoo. Okay. So, first good habit, take bath every day. Okay. Now, second good habit. Yes. What you can see over here? Yes. A teeth holding a toothbrush. So, what do you have to have to brush your teeth when? Every day. Yes. But how many times? Twice a day. Very good. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. How many times? 2 times a day you have to brush your teeth. So first good habit, take bath every day. Second good habit is brush your teeth twice a day. Next one. Now, yes, here you can see in this. Don't laugh, okay? It's very important you should know. Yes, picture of a clean and good looking toilet. Okay, so we have to do what? Whenever we are using the washroom, we have to do what? Keep the toilet seat clean. Okay, we have to flush it, put water in it. Okay, so we have to keep our toilet seats clean whenever we are using it, either before it or after it. Both the times we have to see. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले से गंदा था तो we will also leave it like that only if it is dirty. No, we have to keep the toilet seat clean. So this is the third good habit. Next, what is the child doing? Before eating, what he did? He washed his hand. So next good habit is wash your hands when? Before and after your meals. Meals is before eating anything. Okay, we have learned breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yes, before having anything, we have to wash our hands before and after. Okay, yes, so this is the fourth good habit. Next one. Yes, now you can see this child is very, very dirty and this child is very, very clean. So what we have to do? We have to be clean. So for being clean, what we have to do? We have to wear clean clothes. Which type of clothes you have to wear? We have to wear clean clothes. Don't keep on wearing the same clothes for 2-3 days. No. After taking a bath, we have to wear neat and clean clothes. Okay. So wear clean clothes. Next good habit is what we have to do? We have to some children are afraid of this nail cutter. Why? They don't want to get their nails cut. But we have to cut our nails regularly. Regularly means from time to time. आपका nails जब बड़ा हो जाता है, we have to get them cut. Why? Why? Because if we do not cut our nails, dirt will get inside it, and when we have our food, that dirt will get inside our body also. Okay, so then you will fall sick. You will get sick. Okay, your stomach will pain or many other things will happen. Okay, so for that you have to keep your nails clean, because through our nails only many germs get inside our body. So your nails should be cut small. Okay, so everybody take a look at your nails. If your nails cut? If it's cuts, very good. Next good habit is, yes, to do what? Wash fruits and vegetables. When? Before eating them raw. Raw we have learned. What is raw? Raw means very good, uncooked, kacha. Okay, whenever we are eating our vegetables raw, we have to wash them. Otherwise also we have to wash them. But we have to keep in mind, if we are eating vegetable raw, we have to wash our fruits and vegetables. This is the next good habit. Next, what the child is doing? Yes, I have told you to do this. In first chapter also I have told you to drink a glass of milk every day. Why? It is your body building food. Yes, it is very important to drink milk. So, this is also a good habit that we have to drink milk every day. Okay? You have to drink a glass of milk every day. Why? Because this is your growing age, and if you like or if you don't like, but you have to drink. Okay? So I am going to ask everybody's parents that are you drinking milk every day or not? Okay, children? Next thing is to drink water. This also I have told you in the last chapter that we have to drink what? Water. How much water? Very good. You are remembering 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay. So we have to drink enough water every day. Enough means at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay. So next, what you can see, all smiling happy faces. And what it's written? Good health makes the family happy. If your health is good, your family will be happy. Okay. If you will be happy, your family will also be happy. So today we have learned some good habits. Let's revise. Okay. First good habit, to brush our teeth twice a day, wear clean clothes, take bath every day, keep the toilet seat clean, cut our nails regularly. What else? Drink enough water, drink milk every day, and something that we have missed. Yes, wash the fruits and vegetables before eating them raw. And one more. Wash our hands when? Before and after the meals. Okay? So till here, I think so. Everybody is going to read your book and follow these habits if you are not following. Okay? So in the next class, we are going to do with the next part of the lesson. Okay, children? So start following and have a good day.